Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own online store for free using your mobile phone. Here I'm on my iPhone and I've opened up my Safari browser and navigated to webstarts.com. Tap on Get Started, it's free. In this next step, you'll choose a template for your website. Every template is 100% customizable and can be changed at any time, so don't worry if you can't find a template that you like right away. But for this demo, I'm going to be selecting an online store template, so I tap the category, drop down, and then I choose online store. Next, I can choose one of the online store templates. These are all pre-configured to automatically allow you to sell products online, and I'm going to select the first one here. Taking a look at it, I tap edit and that will select it. In the next step, I'll need to enter my name, email address, and choose a password, so I'm going to do that quickly. When you tap sign up, you'll be asked to verify your phone number, so it's time to add my phone number and then tap send SMS. That'll send you a code to verify that you're not a scammer or spammer. You can just tap on the code there and then it begins to process. After a few moments, your site is created and now it's time to choose a WebStarts address. I'm going to choose a free.webstarts.com address. I'm going to call this one Mobile Store Demo and tap continue. You can change that web address at any time, or you can select the option to choose it later if you can't think of a web address that you'd like to use while signing up. In the next screen, called the Account Dashboard, you'll be welcomed by a modal that shows you roughly how to use your online store. I'm just going to tap to close that out, and then a thumbnail of my store is generated in this spot right here. Scrolling down, I'm going to find the store application and tap on that to launch my new online store. After a few moments, I enter the store app and it's time to create my first product. I tap on add your first product and I then choose a title for my product. I'm just going to say test product. You can name it whatever you'd like and then you enter a description. I'm going to add text description or test description, and then you can add some tags to your product as well. Those will be used to find your product when doing a search, and those are optional, so I'm going to leave that blank. Next, I'm going to upload an image for my particular product, so I tap on the add image icon, and I can choose an image from my file manager, or I can upload one from my local computer, or I can use the image search library to find a product image that I would like to use with my site, and that's what I'm going to do for this demo. So I just type in the word product just so that I get a demo product. I'm going to use this set of glasses and then tap add image. That'll add the image to my product, and now it's time to set my pricing. I'm going to say this is $25, and then I'm going to leave the box unchecked that says charge taxes. Under the SEO section, that stands for search engine optimization, you can create an SEO-friendly URL. It's automatically generated for you if you don't want to override it. You can also choose to create categories and then list your products under categories. So for example, I created this pair of glasses. I could have categories like glasses, and then I could have, I don't know, jeans, shirts, whatever else I'm selling on my store. You can also choose to enable the shipping options and enter in a shipping weight as well as your package to dimensions. Those will be used later to help you determine how much it's going to cost to ship to your customer. There are also options like hiding product for a catalog, which is perfect when you're doing an online promotion and you don't want people to see on your general store a special offer that you're presenting. And you have the variance option, which lets you do things like sell things in different sizes like small, medium, large, blue, green, red, or in different materials like maybe a polyester and cotton. I'm not going to set those up for this demonstration. You also have the option for inventory management where you can enable that and then choose whether or not to display your stock on hand or be notified when your stock level hits a certain spot, and also choose whether you want to display the stock on hand or allow an item that's out of stock to be purchased. There's a digital delivery option if you're looking to sell an ebook, software, maybe music, or some other digital product. Now that I've created my product, I just click create or tap create and it's created. I can go right down and tap add another product, or I can just tap the menu in the top right to move on. There you'll find options like the place to create and organize your categories. You can manage your orders for when somebody places an order on your online store, run reports to see what you sold, and you can even create coupons. And by tapping add new coupon, you can either enter in a flat amount or give a discount by percentage, and then that coupon can expire or it can last forever. Moving along, you have the customers option. This is where you'll find customers that have made purchases from you. So far, I haven't made any purchases, so that area is blank. Tapping on settings, I'll find some important settings in my account, like for example, my store name, which I'll want to enter, the email address where people who make purchases from my store can contact me, my store phone number, and then there's a place to upload a logo for your store as well. The logo and store name will appear in certain places, like for example, in your tracking emails and on your checkout header. So be sure to fill those out with something you like. Here you can select the different types of payment options. When you do add a store to a WebStarts account, it's automatically configured to accept Visa, MasterCard, and American Express payments using WePay by Chase Bank. They charge a rate of 2.9%, which is pretty competitive. You'll basically find that anywhere. But if you want to use a different payment processor, you can choose Stripe authorized.net, and you can also choose to accept PayPal payments by tapping the Accept PayPal checkbox. You can allow comments at checkout if you want people to be able to enter special instructions when they're making a purchase of your product. So let's say, for example, you're creating a custom t-shirt and you want people to enter the text that they would like displayed on the t-shirt, or you're doing a custom engraving and you want to enter the engraving, you would include that at checkout. You can add taxes. Taxes depend on your local municipality. Just be sure to follow all your applicable tax laws and set up your tax rate. Shipping is all based on whatever works for your business model. You can use the UPS shipping API that will use the weight for a particular product along with the originating zip code in order to determine the rough estimate of what it's going to cost to ship that particular item. But you can also ship by things like weight, price, quantity, flat rate, and you can set all your items to ship with free shipping just by choosing the appropriate option. If you do choose something like ship by weight, you can set a weight range. So in other words, you can say, I want everything that is 1 to 10 pounds to cost a certain amount, 10 pounds to 20 pounds to cost a certain amount, so on and so forth. And you can do the same thing with price and things like that. And you can add multiple ranges. You can also add additional shipping services. So if you want to offer UPS and then also offer the U.S. Postal Service and have those different rates, you can make that as available as well. When you're finished making your changes, as always, make sure you just tap the update button and those changes will be applied. You can escape back out to your account dashboard anytime by tapping the menu and then tapping exit in the top right. When somebody tries to place an order on your online store and that fails, you'll find the notification for that under the notification section. And you'll also find notifications for successful orders, site visitors, forms that are completed, and a lot more. So the WebStarts app is really a one-stop shop for you to create everything you need to automate your entire online store and business. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to sign up to create your very own online store from your mobile device using WebStarts. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and enable notifications to be the first to find out when we release a new product, feature, or video. Thanks for watching.